Hi everyone, welcome to MarikaCreations. Today I will share with you 2 nature-inspired DIYs. I have 2 decor pieces for you, so stay tuned for this. For my first DIY, I would like to make a Japanese-inspired wind chime, and I will try to mimic those Japanese coins. And hubby is here helping me, just drilling out some large round circles from this piece of wood like that, and I need 4 of them because I will make 4 coins, and I need to make them square in the center. Not complicated at all. So hubby is doing the first touch on that with the jigsaw, square like that, and that will help me when cutting it out perfectly with help of the scroll saw, like you see me do here. So this wind chime will not hang out in the wind and make beautiful sounds. It will be just a decorative piece for our spa. So now I'm taking the belt sander and rounding the edges of my Japanese coins. I have joined forces with some talented, very creative ladies, other YouTube creators, with this nature-inspired collaboration. I will have links down in my description to the channels. You can go and check them out later. And I will also have a link to the playlist of this collaboration for more nature-inspired decor. So here they are, my Japanese coins. And I take just a tiny rasp and make that square in the center a little bit more even. I go in with the sandpaper as well, just to get everything as nice and smooth as possible. I want to be able to hang my pieces like a wind chime, so I just measure out where to drill some tiny holes, 2 in each piece, like you see me do here. As you can see in the corner here, the inspiration piece, the Japanese coin, it is sort of carved, and I'm not that good at carving, so what I will do is to paint them to make them look like they are carved with a lot of highlights and shadows. So this is what I will do. I just mix some gold and some black to get that coin color, that golden color. Cover the whole piece, and then I go in with shadows, pretending that the light comes from one side and what that would look like, and I do the same with all the coins. You may wonder why I have chosen to make 4 Japanese coins, and I will tell you. They will represent the 4 elements: air, earth, fire and water. So that is the next thing I'm going to do, is to paint the Japanese signs for those 4 elements. And here I'm starting with the sign for fire, and I write the same sign on each side of that square opening. And here comes the air sign, or wind rather. And going over to earth. A little bit more complicated this sign. And the last sign is water. Last thing I will do with these coins is to put on a coat of a satin finished varnish to protect my colors, and at the same time give them more of a sheen, since they are coins after all. I have taken a branch that I already had on hand, all dry, and I'm hanging up my coins with leather strings, like you see me do here. I have the fire sign in the upper center, and beneath it the water sign, since those are the most dominant in our spa, shower and sauna. And once I'm done with my wooden coins, I will take some ceramic pieces that I have made. You can also make them of air dry clay. I made them round with the help of a cookie cutter and gave them some texture with the help of a placemat, and made a hole. And now I'm taking just a thin black thread and put them into place. I have both black and white ones, as you can see. And the last thing I will do is take some nautical rope and tie it onto the branch with the help of some jute twine to create a hanger. And that's it for this creation. Et voila! Here it is, hanging in the toilet area beneath my lovely window. Tell me what you think of this creation. I think it fits right into our spa. Do they look like coins, Japanese coins? Let me know in the comments. And if you are interested to see how I made the window covers for this place, the ones you see right above my creation here, I will leave a link down in my description box. For my second and final DIY, I will make a super cute twig basket. A very small one, because I didn't have very many branches. I'd just been out in my backyard and picked some twigs, and they need to be fresh because they need to be bendable, so I can bend them really well. without them breaking. At each end of the twigs I will just tie some thin green metal wire so it won't show. And then I need to bend them into shape like a U, like you see me do here. And to keep them bent like that, I will put in another wire and just put it across like that, and they will stay bent like that. And then I will spread out my twigs like you see me do here, and then I will take the rest of the twigs and just weave them. No rhyme or reason really, just weave them through to just separate my twigs and make the structure stay as a little basket. As you can see, it's a very tiny basket this, and you can make it any size you wish. Same procedure, just larger twigs and more of them to make a large basket. And I just continue weaving until I am happy with the result, or until I'm out of twigs. I need a handle for my basket, and I take this a larger branch for that purpose. Just cut it to size, and then I need smaller ones for the feet as well. So I just put it in between the twigs like that and tie it with my metal wire. As soon as I have my handle in place, I can cut off that wire support. And I do the same with the feet, just tie it around the twigs with the metal wire. If you're new to my channel, hi! I am Marika, and over here I do lots of DIYs. I do thrift flips, trash to treasures, some dupes, renovation of my home. I even do some pottery and some painting. Please join me. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and join my YouTube family. I decided to go in with some jute twine and crisscross it around the handles to get a more rustic look, an even more rustic look, I would say. Just tie it around a couple of times and just make a double knot and cut off the excess, and the same on the other side. And then it's time to cut off the excess twigs above the handles. And like you see me do here, just leave a little bit like that. And this is how it turned out. I want to show you the little basket empty like this, and then you can decorate it however you please, And I have just put in a little nest with some eggs and some spring flowers. So tell me, what do you think of my creations today? Did you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you are inspired and ready for more nature decor, head on over to my description box and hit the link to the playlist of this collaboration. And consider subscribing to my channel. It will help it to grow, and I can spend more time creating inspirational content for you. Thank you so very much for watching. See you soon again in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.